She works hard for the money, so hard for it, honey. She works hard for the money, so you better treat her right.